So this is a presentation on vinegar eels. The scientific name is Turbitrix aceti. Within the tree of life, vinegar eels are in the phylum Neotoda, which is within the superphylum Exozoa. These organisms are classified as protostomes in the kingdom Animalia, which are eukaryotes. A major evolved trait of the vinegar eel is that they have the ability to withstand acidic conditions. This has been evolved from terrestrial nematodes. And on the right here, you see a picture of a singular vinegar eel. So they are very skinny, longer, and kind of resemble a micro worm. The natural habitat of a vinegar eel is aquatic that are acidic, with temperatures averaging around room temperature. Vinegar eels prey on bacteria in rotten apples that have unpasteurized vinegar. In other environments, vinegar eels prey on yeast and any other bacteria that would be in that environment. So like I said, vinegar eels can be thought of as micro worms. Once the food is obtained, it enters through the mouth. And the digestive system contains a long tube from mouth to anus. So on the left in that diagram, you can see on the left is the mouth, and there's this white line with kind of a shaded area that runs throughout the entire worm, and the food exits through the anus. And in between then, there's like the midgut and intestine. And then besides the digestive system, there's also a fairly developed reproductive organ system with the embryos, uterus, and then there's also other more developed tissues and organs such as like the pharyngeal intestinal valve. And then there are no substantial predators of vinegar eels in natural environments. However, vinegar eels are often harvested to feed small fish. The importance of vinegar eels is that they are a significant food source for small fish, particularly baby fish fry. Overall, vinegar eels are not hazardous for human consumption, although it's not recommended. There is no direct impact to humankind besides harvesting vinegar eels for fish food. So this picture on the right is what harvesting vinegar eels would look like. Basically, just kind of setting up a vinegar environment. The one on the right has closed off air, and then you place the vinegar eels in the environment that you have with the vinegar there. These are my sources that were used for research and the pictures.